Hello and welcome to a short review and unboxing of this air fryer. It's 5.8 quart and it has 8 presets, so it's 8-in-1 air fryer with LCD display. It came in this box. It was really neatly packed. So I just wanted to show you the box, and now I'm going to show you what's inside the box. Okay, so as always, there's a manual with the detailed instructions on how you can use it. It also has the cookbook or the recipe book, which is great. So that's how it looks once you remove the package. It has tapes from both sides to make sure nothing is wobbling. And I really like the look and the style. It looks really nice, and the display is here. So let's see. So just remove the tape from both sides, and it's pretty easy to handle with even one hand. It's not very, wobbly or anything. I really like the mechanism here. Now let's put it back and turn it on just to see how the interface looks. And removing basket is pretty simple. You just slide this guy in. You slide it up, and then you press this button here, and then you remove the basket. Voila! Easy peasy. And if you want to place it back, you also do the same thing. You just make sure it's stuck, and then you slide it back. And then it's secured in its position and ready to go. Okay, so I just plugged it in, and to start, just hold it for 3 seconds. Voila! You have 8 presets. See different dishes based on what you want to cook. Fish, and we start from scratch. If you want to turn it off, you also hold it for 3 seconds, and you should be able to turn it off. Here you go. So yeah, I really like the overall design of these air fryer by Elegant Life. I've used some of their products before. This is a very good brand, and I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.